now students, today we are going to do our workbook sums. And our second chapter, chapter number 2. Second chapter, numbers up to 50. Then our first question, so we did in our textbook also. So this is our first question. In the first question, what he is asking? Write numbers 1 to 10. 1 to 10 numbers we have to write. 1 to 10 numbers. Here some boxes, 10 boxes are given. In these boxes we have to write 1 to 10 numbers. See here. This is a 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, and here 5, and here 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last 10. So like this we have to write 10 numbers in the given 10 boxes. This is our first question. In the first question what he is asking? So write numbers 1 to 10. 1 to 10. So 10 boxes are given. In these boxes we have to write numbers from 1 to 10. In the first box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the last 10. These are first question. So in the second question, some pictures, some objects, some pictures are given. So in these pictures, so we have to count and write how many are there, how many objects are there. Here in the first object, in the first picture, so we have to count number of objects. How many ducks were given here? We have to count. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Total how many objects were there here? 6. That number we have to write here. 6 objects. So here count and write. We have to count and we have to write in the given boxes. Here ducks were given. Objects. What are our objects here? Ducks. Then count here ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects. Okay. Now in the question B, so here we took apples, but in your textbook some other pictures, other objects are given. So no matter which object it is, either it is an apple, either it is a cap, either it is a tree, either it is a monkey, whatever it is. So just we have to count. So whatever object is given, that object we have to count and we have to write in the box. So it is no matter what object here. So what it matters, we have to count and we have to write. We have to count and we have to write. How many objects were there here? See here, 1 apple, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 apples. In the box we have to write 4. In the box we have to write 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a number of objects in the second. Then here also object. What objects in the textbook is given there? Monkey is given. But instead of monkey I took a bat. So number of bats you have to count and write. Number of objects. How many objects were given? 1, 2, 3. How many objects were given? 3 objects. That we have to write in the box 3. Okay. In this way we have to write. We have to count and we have to write number of objects. First 1 to 10 numbers he is asking. 1 to 10 number we wrote, and in the next question, so number of objects we have to count and we have to write in the box. Next question, tens and ones. How many tens are there? How many ones objects are there? Here. These all are caps. Some caps are given. Group of, this is tens group, this is 10 group. So see here how many caps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one 10 group. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one group, this is one group. How many tens groups are there? 2 tens. Two tens. This is one 10 and this is another 10. If 3 tens are there, then we have to take here 3 tens. If 4 tens are there, we have to take 4. If 5 tens are there, then 5 tens. If 6 tens are there, then 6 tens in a way. How many tens he has given? Here 2 group of tens, one group, and this is the second group. 2 groups of tens given, so that is why we have to take 2 tens. 2 tens. Then how many ones are there? 1 and 2. 2 ones are there. This is one tens group. This is another tens group. 1 and 1. 2 tens groups are there. 2 tens groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one 10 group. Another tens group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another tens group. 2 tens groups are there and 2 ones are there. 2 ones are there. 2 tens and 2 ones. It makes 22. It makes 22. 2 tens and 2 ones. If 3 tens and 2 ones, 32. If 4 tens and 2 ones, 42. If 5 twos and 2 ones, 52. In that way, how many tens and how many ones are there? So that we have to see 2, 2, 2, 2, 22. If here 3, 1 will there, then 3, 1, 31 will come here. If 4, 5 is there, so here 4, 5, 45 will come. So in that way, you have to think and you have to check how many tens are there. Here 2 tens are there. Here we have to take 2 tens. And here 2 ones are there and 2 ones we have to take. And it makes 2, 2, 22. 2 to 22. So in other question also some objects are given, some fishes were given. In that fishes you have to count how many tens are there, then how many ones are there. After counting number of tens and number of ones, and you make a number like this. If 2 to 22. If 4, 6 is there, you make 46 there. Okay? In that way you have to do. Okay? Yes, now students. Here place values now. Find the numbers on the other abacus. So then how to find the place values? Already we find the place values in the groups, making tens groups and ones groups. So how many tens are there and how many ones are there? Calculating how many tens, and so we are writing in the tens place and in ones place also same, and we make a number. So here also, so one more method is there, that is on abacus. So we have to write the numbers. If the abacus is means bits are given, so we have to count number of bits in ones place and in tens place, and we have to write the number. So this is ones place and this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. Now we count. In ones place how many bits were given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And in tens place how many bits were given? 1, 2. 2. The number is 24. 2 tens, 4 ones, 24. 2 tens, 4 ones, 24. Now, here how many ones are there? No ones, nothing, no bit is given here. So it means 0. If nothing is there, then 0. No bits were given, so that means we have to take 0. Okay. Now, in tens place number of bits we have to count. 1, 2, 3. Then 3. 3, 0, 30. 3, 0, 30. Now, the next question. In ones place, how many bits were given? First you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in tens place, 1, 2. 24. 2, 4. 24. Now, here how many bits were given? First you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And how many bits were there here? 1. Then 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 17 bits were there. 17 bits were there. Say in the first question, number of So bits are given on the abacus. We have to count the bits and we have to write number. We have to write number. In the ones place, how many bits were given? In the tens place, how many bits were there? We have to count and we have to write the number in this way. Okay. In the next question, draw the bits on the abacus. These numbers. Some numbers are given on the abacus. First, 4 questions are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. This is question A. This is B question. This is C question, and this is D question. In these 4 questions, we have to draw bits. So then, how to draw? See here. 6 in the ones place. 6 in the ones place means 6 bits we have to draw. How many? 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have to draw. And in ones place only 1 is there. 1 bit we have to draw. Only 1. So like this we have to draw bits. If bits are given, so number is like this. If number is given, we have to draw bits like this. So these two are vice versa. Okay. Then here in ones place 3. 3 means 3 bits we have to draw. 3 bits we have to draw. 1, 2, 3. Then in tens place 2 is there, means 2 bits we have to draw. 1, 2. Next, in C question, in ones place 0 is there, nothing, no need to draw. No need to draw, we need nothing, 0 is there. Okay, 0 means nothing. Then in tens place 6 is there, 6 means 6 bits we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like this. The last D question, here 6 is there in ones place, 6 bits we have to draw. 6 bits we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In tens place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it represents 46. It represents 46. 46 means 4 in tens place and 6 is in ones place. In this way we have to draw bits and we have to show. If number is given, then the bits are given, the number is like this. If number is given, then bits are like this. Okay. Then so this is on abacus. This is on abacus. Showing numbers on abacus. Here is asking, in this number write how many tens and how many ones, and also write the number name. Number name also. Number name also he is asking. Number name also he is asking. What he has given here? Here tens, here ones. How many tens are there? Then how many ones are there? We have to write. Here we have to write number name. In this blank we have to write number name. Number name. So here 6T. 6T means 6 tens and 0 ones. 6 this place represents tens and this place represents ones. 6 tens and ones. How many tens are there? 6 tens. 6 tens and 0 ones. 6 tens, 0 ones. It makes 60. It makes 60. Then 25. This is in tens place. This is in ones place. This is in ones place. 2 is in tens. 2 tens. 5 ones. 5. 2 tens. 5 ones. It makes 25. Number name. Here 3, 4. 3 tens. 3 tens, 4 ones. 3 tens, 4 ones, 34. 3 tens, 4 ones, 34. 34. In this way we have to write number of tens and number of ones, and there we have to write number name. So these represent tens, these represents ones. tens, 6 tens, 0 ones, 2 tens, 5 ones, 3 tens, 4 ones, 3 tens, 4 ones. Now, in the second question, so write the number that is, write the number name. Here we have to write number names. 4 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens and 4 ones, 44. 44. Okay? 4 tens and 0 ones. 4 0. 4 0. 4 0, 40. 4 0, 40. 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 6. 3 6, 36. 3 6, 36. In this way we have to write number when tens and ones are here. 4 tens and 1 ones. Okay. So these are the methods to do our book sums. Now students, here write the number names. Some numbers are given 38, 7, 14, 37. These number names we have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have to write in words. Number names in words. 38. THIRTY. 30. EIGHT. 38. 38. This is 7. This is 7. This is 14. This is 14. And this is 37. This is 37. So in this way we have to write the given numbers into their names. So in words we have to write whatever is given, that we have to write in words. That we have to write in words. Now the fifth question is fill in the missing numbers. It means from 1 to 50 we have to write all the numbers. 1 to 50 we have to write all the numbers. So start from 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5 given, 6, 7 is also given. Now the missing is 8, 9 is given, then 10 is missing, 11 is given, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, after 19, 20, 20, 20, next, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30 is given. Then we sing 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, then 36, 36 is given, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40, then 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44 given. Then 45, 45, 46, 46 given. 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, then 50, 50. In this way we have to write the missing number. Missing number. So this is numbers into their words, and these are missing numbers. Missing numbers. In this way we have to write the missing numbers. Now The last one, counting backward. The sixth question is counting backward. Then how to count backward? 31, then 30, then 30, 29, then 28, then 27, 26, 25, 24. In this way we have to count back. We have to count back in the reverse order. If you check here 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. In the backward if you check, then you will get here regular counting. Okay. Here also we have to count it back. 40. 40 back counting is 39. 39 after the 38. 38, 37. Then 36, 35, 34, 33. If you count from right to left, then check 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. In this way we have to count it back and fill your numbers. Fill your numbers. So these three questions, first given number is given, that given number, so we convert it to, we write in name, and these are the missing numbers. What are the missing number? We completed in the given circles, and here counting back. Backward counting is given. Backward counting like 31, after the 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Backward counting is 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. This is the backward counting. Okay.